Hi there, it's Di with WTI. And here I have Kind Laundry's laundry detergent sheets that even come in paper packaging. They are totally nature-friendly product. And the laundry detergent sheets themselves, they of course dissolve in the water. These sheets are hypoallergenic, they're eco-friendly, they're not tested on animals. Now the laundry is ready. The moment of truth. Doesn't smell like anything, and that's how it should be because it's fragrance free. And the same product line also comes with the vegan stain remover bar. This one is a little tougher stain I had for a while. It's gone. That's awesome. This is excellent addition for your fresh laundry and to make sure that you have no stains in your favorite clothing and items. I love these products because it makes doing laundry less harmful for environment. And I love products like that. And that is my point of view.